Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you a review of PROLONG supplement. PROLONG Power is dietary supplement designed to improve male sexual health, energy and stamina. It contains natural ingredients like godweed, tongkat ali, and orchic substance, which are thought to enhance libido, improve erectile function, and support vitality. The supplement is generally safe, but some users may experience mild side effects like digestive issues or headache, particularly if they are sensitive to certain herbs. PROLONG Power is made by NutraKing Supplements and it praised for its natural, non-GMO and gluten-free compositions. It costs around $24.95 for a 1-month supply, with bulk option available for better savings. However, it lacked customers' review on major platforms like Trustpilot, which may potentially buyers hesitant. It may boost vitality and performance, but its lack of reviews and possible mild side effects make it less reliable than other options. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.